Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash flips on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my video today. Hey y'all, we are back with day 10, tiered tray decor. I'm sorry I didn't make anything in this video. I'm just going to be showing you me decorating some tiered trays in my kitchen. So this is Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. That's Amanda. These are the hosts of this playlist, and I will have it linked down in my description box for you. Hey guys, so I'm going to be decorating up here the little tier trays that I have. And I have a bunch of stuff in my basket here from downstairs we can decorate with. I am going to probably do a voiceover from here on out so you can watch how I do this because I don't really need to be talking during this. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to speed the rest up from here. And don't mind me, I had a long day at work, and as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to upload this video and be done with my tiered tray. All right, let's get started. All right, so I am just pulling everything out of my basket here. A few items here and there. And I know you can't really see what I'm doing kind of on this part, but I'm just trying to get Mary and Joseph to go down inside of this cloche that I made on my channel back in the beginning of the year. And I was trying to fit the Wiseman in there too, but they just were not fitting. But now I'm adding some stars on top of that cloche. I took out my cute little house, that little maroon one from the Dollar Plus section, these little Dollar Tree trees. I have the Dollar Tree owls. They're super cute. I have these little like rings from, I think it might have been Target a long time ago. The angels I made. I have little trees that I made, little gnomes, some lights in my little church, little bag, some other trees at the top with some tumbling tower blocks around them, some deers, some stuff from Dollar General here we're adding. They had a bunch of cute little ornaments and stuff. And then I add a couple snowflakes in my church there. And that's pretty much it for this, you guys. And then I'm going to add a few lights on here, some fairy lights here. I had to untangle them. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It turned out so beautiful. That little house I got from the Dollar Tree, I made that as well. It all just looks so pretty when the lights are turned off here. I hope you guys enjoyed my tiered tray video today. I just went ahead and decorated my whole table though. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other crafters and see what they're doing in their tiered tray videos today. I'm not sure what everyone else is doing, but I just went ahead and decorated instead of made some stuff for tiered trays. I'm tired. I didn't have enough time today. I'm just totally exhausted. I've had a very long day at work. We were extremely busy, so I didn't feel like making anything. So we're just decorating. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at how cute my little trees are. Just love it. I made that little house too in the back. Love it. It's so cute. So pretty. I just love it when the lights are turned off too. Look how pretty that is. Yes. Super adorable. I love my little angel that I made. All the cute stuff. Cuddle weather season, guys. Jesus is the reason. There's Mary and Joseph in the cloche. So cute, all lit up. And then the three wise men outside. My little deer and owl. Love those trees from Dollar Tree. They are super adorable. Okay, guys, don't forget to watch the playlist. I'd like to thank the host today for having me on the playlist, and thank you to all my subscribers and all your continued support here on my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I appreciate all that you do when you do that. Also, if you hit that bell button, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you again for watching Sunflower Tasha DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram on my personal account, or you can follow me on my gallery account. My personal is obviously my personal, and then my gallery is just where I post pictures of things that I had made on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for all that you do and all your continued support. Bye!